my name is Claire Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use this very simple styling tool, which is a toothpick. And I use it to create designs in smoothie bowls, in soups, or whatever, if I'm putting a liquid onto another liquid. So like this, we have the almond milk in here, and we're gonna do like a little spiraling technique. Toothpicks are also really great for holding together certain ingredients, like when you make a sandwich and the bread's falling apart and you're trying to take a photo of it. So they come in handy a lot of the time. And it's just a really great, simple tool.